All right, guys, so this is going to be a short one, but hopefully a fun one. A little bit under the weather, but let's talk about this cool thing that is in the parcel. So we're going to do one of our usual unparcelings, and hopefully this is what I'm expecting it to be. But if not, then it'll be a different video. But anyway, let's try to see how this comes out. Children never do the unpackagings the way I do it, but anyway. It's interesting to see that this package is lighter than our smallest box. If you can always check out that QR code, if you guys want to check that out, whatever that's about, I don't know. We're going to take out what's inside this cool parcel. And I've made a hole in it, but what did I do? What did I do, guys? What did I do? All right, this looks awesome.
Likey.